Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a space shuttle. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our space shuttle, let's begin with the middle part. So I'm going to begin right here. I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. Then we're going to leave some space and we're going to draw another line that's going to come up right here. Next, we're going to kind of curve this line in and then bring it back down over to this side. Then we're just going to make kind of like a curve right across here. Let's make a little line across the top, and then we'll make a second little line right here. Then let's draw a line that's going to come up and then down. Then we'll kind of curve this in to connect it. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and then back up. Then let's draw a little line here and a little line here. Let's curve a line down and then we'll curve it back over here. Same thing, kind of curve this line down and then curve it back over here. Let's make a line that's going to come down and then we'll bring it up to here. Same thing here, we're going to bring this down and then kind of curve it back up. Let's draw a little line here and a little line here. We'll make a curve here and a curve here. Then let's go ahead and make some little lines right across here for some detail. Next, starting here, let's draw a diagonal line on each side to start the wings. Let's bring this line out, down, and then back here. Same thing here, we're just going to go out, bring it down, and then come right back in. Next, let's draw a line that's going to kind of curve right around that shape that we just made. Do that same thing on this side, just kind of curve right around that shape. And we're going to draw a little line across the bottom. Make a little line here and a little line here. Right here, let's draw a line that's going to curve down on each side. Then we're just going to bring this line down. Then I'm just going to kind of redraw that shape right on here for a little bit of detail. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come up to a point, and then we're going to bring this back down. We're going to curve this across and then make a little line here. Next, let's make a line that's going to come up and then straight down here. Same thing here, let's kind of make it come up to a point and then straight down here. We're going to make a little line across on each side and then a second one. Then we're going to make one and two little lines across on there. One and then two little lines. Then let's make a little line that comes over and down, and then same thing here, kind of over and down. Next, let's just add some little dots right across here, just to make it kind of look like you would see like the screws and the bolts in there. Next, right here, let's draw a line that's going to come down and over. We'll do one here, down and over. I'll make a couple little lines across the bottom. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down, over, and up. And then same thing here, down, over, and then up. And there you go. There is your drawing of a quick, easy space shuttle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.